Hi, I'm Chaitanya Dhoni, and we already learned the basics for Unity. So now we're actually going to start a game. So first I'm just going to go to Unity, and let's start a new project. I'll just put this here, and let's go new. I'm just going to wait for it. Okay, so now that it's almost loaded. Okay, it's loaded. I want this to be a 3D game. And let's make a bowling game. So I'm gonna put bowler. Okay, capital. And I'm gonna create it. Okay, so while it's creating the thing, it'll take a lot of time because it's a brand new game that it's creating. For me, that's quite insane that it can create it in such a small time. But, okay. So other stuff like that you can do in Unity, like if you want to build a game, it's actually a good idea to copy and paste your code from other Unity stuff that you do. So like me, when I do my projects, I like the car racers game. I like to take that code and instead of just keeping that there and having to write so much code for 1 hour, you can just do a simple drag from car racers, and you could just place it in your new project. So that's what I'm going to try to do, so that we can save a little bit of time. I recommend you to do the code first, and then you could start copying and pasting. You might need to make a few changes, like I might for this bowling game. So like I'll need to make sure that the ball will need to go forward. You shouldn't be able to speed up. So there's many changes that I'll need to do. But yeah, I definitely recommend copying and pasting. Luckily, you're allowed to do that in Visual Studio. And since it's taking so long, I also want, while it's waiting, I want to show you this is a simple website I created. So right here, I recommend you to go to this website. It's just called Chaitanya Dhoni. So we're going to start a company. It's called Lightningcode. Icon. So these are also the games I made. And these are the other videos I made before. So if you didn't go to this site yet, I really recommend it because you'll be able to, if you didn't see the previous videos before, you should you'll be able to see them with right here. So, okay, so I'm still waiting for it to be created. I hope it's actually coming. Okay. Okay, so it's creating right now. When you want to do this bowling game, just like I said in the previous things, if you want, so what you need is a sphere collider for the ball, and then that you're going to use for bowling, and then I'm pretty sure you might want to use for the pins. I recommend you to download it from the asset store. and then put like a box collider. And definitely what you should do is put a rigid body. Otherwise, it'll just be boring. When you hit it, nothing will happen. It'll just stop the ball. So when you put a rigid body, you should probably make its mass like 0.5. So it'll be half of the mass of the bowling ball, and you'll easily be able to hit them down and actually use it. So that's what I recommend. I don't know why this is taking so long, but okay, so in the meanwhile, let me see. Okay, it looks like my network is a little slow, but that's okay. I can still talk about other stuff while this still goes. So, what I can show is this, and so, you know what I'm just gonna do? I'm gonna wait and see if I can. Okay, finally, it loaded. Whew. Okay, so as you see, this is the normal thing. It's normal. You normally see this. So I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go into the models and search for some assets. I'm gonna search up bowling. It's a little slow. Okay. Well, now, wait. Does this happen? Okay. So, I'm going to the asset store. And I'm gonna. Okay, so if you experience any issues like I am, it's much more simple to just go here, go to Google, and actually do that. So I'm gonna add a tab, and so let's search up. So let's go to the Unity Asset Store. Okay. I'll go here. Okay, let's see what I can find. Bowling. I'm gonna go free. And it looks like all I could find was pins. But that's okay. Oh, it comes with balls. Okay, that's even better. Let's go. I'm just gonna log in. Okay, I'm gonna add it. And I'm gonna open this in Unity. Okay. Just loading up. Loading my packages. Wow, my network really is slow today. Sorry. Okay. I think it doesn't know. If this ever happens, it just doesn't know if you signed in or not. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Aren't you doing something? Okay, there, I found it. Okay, so now I'll download this. Okay, it'll take a little bit of time. Then I'm going to import this package. import. I'll import everything. You can X out some of the stuff if you don't want it, but I'll just import everything in this asset. Okay, must have gotten import. So let's just see where it is. Okay, looks like we found some stuff. Let's put down the floor. Oh wow, this is... Okay, so I guess we didn't really find such a good, but that's okay. I'll create my own. So I'll just like put it right here, and then so this is where we like use this, the transform, which is really cool. You should see how it's used in the other one, but yeah. Okay, the other episodes I made for, I think 6 could be a good amount of space. Don't know why. And on the Z, I'll probably need, let's do 15. 15, that's a good amount. Actually, let's do a little bit more. I'll do 40. Yeah, that's quite long. Okay, maybe I made it too long. So it's quite hard to get your exact amount. Sorry for that. Oh, now I know why. Sorry. This was... Okay, now that it's 40, I will come here. I'll put my camera like back here. I'm probably gonna make this a little bit smaller. Here, it's not fitting my preference. So I'll put 4. Yeah, that looks like a good, decent amount. So I'll just, you know what? I think 60 could be good. 60 is a reasonable thing. Now, it doesn't look so big at first, but yeah, it really is like this. So yeah, we want it to be angled like this. And so when you start, you'll obviously need the ball. So teleport here and push the ball down. Wow, that is a big ball. Well, I certainly need to size this down. I'll size this down to 0.1. Actually,
what are you making?
I'm just gonna do one seems like a decent amount. It's okay. My brother just wanted to see. Well, so now let's actually make this ball go. So, okay, let's make this a decent sized ball. It'll take a little bit longer because this is an entire game, not sped up. So I'll just do this. And the most important thing is the rigid body, so I'll not forget. Okay, so this looks proper. Now I'm going to add a component. A box collider doesn't really suit a ball, so I think that we need a sphere collider. Okay, and now I'll just put a rigid body. And let's let's keep its mass. I think, so here's one of the most important things that I forgot. It was actually very hard without this. Many people don't show it, but you might want to make the camera a child of the player. In this case, it's a ball, so that it could go better. I think it's a good idea to have that in mind though. So like right here, it's as simple as this. Now it's a child of the ball. It's that simple. So we started. Oh, I forgot. Also, in case you want it to look a little bit more polished, you can make this a solid color, and then you can change this to. Let's do. Okay, you know what? I got one. I'll just do plain white. Plain white seems fine, right? Actually, yeah, let's see what we can have. Yeah, let's just keep it white. So this is what it looks like in the real camera. Nothing really much. And you might be wondering, hey, how did the ball just fall right through? I'm pretty sure that we need to edit. Yeah, the sphere collider. So this is another important thing. If the sphere collider turns out to be too small, you can edit it. First kind of.
Let me reset ladder in the second bedroom, Ashe.
Okay. There.
Reset ladder.
Oh my. Okay. So now, I might just rotate it a bit. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. So, if that ever happens, so make sure that it doesn't roll, because if it rolls, it'll make the camera go crazy. So, let's just disable the camera from there. I want it to show the full things. What actually looks like a bowling ball. Okay, actually, I'm just going to do it like this. Okay, so now we got the bowling ball finished. Let's add the green camera back. Wait a second. Okay. And now, like I said earlier when this was getting created, it's a good idea to copy and paste code if you don't want to waste too much time. So that's what I'm going to try doing in just a moment. So let's take this, and what I will be trying to do is, yeah, I'll just add a script. I'll call this movement. Sorry, my brother's really interested in this. Hey, actually, you mind if you move? So, okay. So now that we created this in our scenes, I have it. Okay, so it's right here. And so you just double click on it. It opens up Visual Studio. I'll just wait. Okay. Okay, so now is the part where I'm saying that the copy and paste. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer. While this is loading up, I'll get it ready. So, what will matter here? The movement, and you go down. So I showed this before, but yeah. So let's just copy everything here. Okay, so this is about everything. Okay, let's copy this. Okay. Then I'm just gonna copy. Um, sorry. I'm just gonna delete all of this. Wow, this is okay. So while we're just okay, so now that everything is deleted, all I need to do is just press CTRL-V, or I'll just I'll just do this. Okay, there. So now our code is fully there. I'm just gonna make a little bit of tweaks. I don't prefer just using A and D keys, so I'm just gonna edit this. I'm gonna put this, and that's it. And what I'm gonna put is okay. So let's see what type of get keys can we get. I'm gonna get key right. Okay. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna delete it. Code problems. So, I'm pretty sure this won't work. So, let's just skip this for now. We can wait for this later. So I'll just show you the others. Okay, so A and D is what we're gonna get. I'll show you how to do the arrow keys later. And so 18. Maybe this fourth is too much for me, so I'll do, I think 5. 5 seems like a good one. Okay, so now you just need to save it. In my case, I'm just doing CTRL-S. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting for it. Okay. Okay, so now that it must have gotten imported, I need to also make sure. So before you do all of that, you need to make sure, before you play test, you need to put rigid body, and you need to direct it to our ball. In this case, it's our player. So let's see. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what this is, I'll tell you in a moment. This is actually because I told this. So you see this? I'll put a rigid body on this too. So as you can see, it looks exactly like the same thing on the camera. So it doesn't really change anything other than the fact that it falls off. It falls because of gravity. So if you disable gravity on the camera, okay, so we already saw our first problem. The ball was going the wrong way. Let's fix that. Okay, the ball was going. Okay, I see. This, you need to make sure that you have an F. It doesn't matter if it's capital or not. It just matters if there's an F, which means floating point. If you ever try decimals, you definitely want to try that. Otherwise, it'll just say you're wrong. Very simple. I'll disable this because it doesn't seem to be helping me at all. I'm just going to remove this component. And let's make sure that this thing, even though I feel like it should rotate, I'm just going to make sure that it doesn't rotate so that the camera doesn't go like this. So let's just freeze all of rotation points that we have. I'll show. Wait. So I'm just gonna wait and see if the ball. Okay, so I just wanted to check what was down there. Let's just put this. Will it work? No, it's not going. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe. Okay, so I don't really know. Okay, maybe it's in the code again. I'll try doing an uncapitalizer. Let me see if that'll work. Okay, still loading. And okay, so it's gonna load. Okay, so let's see. Maybe. No, it does not work. Maybe. Okay, so the ball is connected. Let's see what this is. So this must be also okay. That sounds easy. Okay, so what if I want to make sure that if this code is really working, I'm gonna make sure. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one here, and I'm gonna see if it really is working, and then let's see, no problems. Okay, sure enough, it's working. So that means that it was on my side about. Okay, so maybe I need to make it a little bit bigger. I'll try 9. Let me. I'm just gonna see if that even pushes us. I hope it does. Okay. No, it's not. It doesn't do it good enough. Okay, so that means let's just move up. It's good that I just learned decimals in class. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's see if it actually works. No. Okay, so could there be a problem with the decimal? I'm going to 9. Okay. You need to if you really want to be a good creator, it, most people just make a lot of people have a lot of people because one person's thing is just to play the game, but the other is just to code. But in this case, code and testing it is in your responsibility. Okay, if that works. Then I'll make this 4. So you need to try to get the perfect speed for your thing. I don't feel like 5 seconds is enough for the players. Please do that. Okay, that's a good speed. I might just try to make it a little slower. This time I'm going to. I think 2 is the best speed. Ideal. Okay, let's see. Okay, 2 looks like an ideal speed. Yeah, that's good. I'm just gonna make the ground a little bit longer. Okay, so now 16 to 100. Oh, it looks like it fits the thing exact. Okay, so now it's ball. Okay, I'll just. Okay. So it looks like I might. Okay, I'll just make it easier for me. And so this is a tactic that I thought would be a good idea. Now the ball will just move with it. Okay, so right here. I kind of feel like we need a wood type of material. This case. So I'll create a material and it'll be brown. Brownish. Light brown. It looks like it's a good brown. Here. Okay. Okay, so let's try okay, maybe it needs to be a little bit more lighter. I just can't seem to get the right one. So, okay, well, I will just go with, yeah, I'll just go with, greenish. Yeah, I'll just go with, gray for now. Yeah, gray seems good. So, let me just test if the A and B keys are working. A, B. Oh, Okay, I know something that I need to. Also now, I'll certainly need to make this the other way. And I'll also need to make the camera a child of the ball. Keep on forgetting. Okay? Now I'm gonna focus on the gutters. You don't want the guy going out of the place, do you, right? So, for the gutters, I'll just make it simple. Okay, I'll see if I have an asset for it. I'll search bowling alley. I'll hope. And let's see if I somehow manage to get a real bowling asset. Okay, it's bowling alley. Oh, that's not working. Collection. I don't really see. None of these seem like they have anything to do with bowling, so I'll just take that out. No. Let's try bowling 30. No. AR bowling. Oh, shoot. Okay, so there's nothing here. I might try Blender, but that's kind of hard to use, so it'll be my last resort if I need to. So for the gutter ball, place, I'll just try to. So yeah, I'm gonna do a cylinder. Let me see what type of collaborative they have. Wow, it seems like there's a lot. Um, hmm. Actually, I think I'm gonna make it a little bit easier, and I'll just use cubes. Okay, so what it'll be like this, and it'll be tilted a little bit like this so that it'll have some like rampage or something, and then it'll go. Okay, so we want the Z to be the most. Make it 100. Okay. Oh yeah, you might be wondering, oh, we can't see this. So this is what the directional light is for. It's going the other way, so I'll try creating another one. Except going to the other end. Okay, I want this to be 5 city, so that both of them add up to the same. So now it's just like decent on both. Okay, let's duplicate this. And now let's okay. Kind of looks a little weird. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just gonna rotate it like this. I'm pretty sure this is all I'll need. Let me just see. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, let's see. So, okay. So it looks like we have a fine type of back. So let's just make a little stopper right here so that the bowling ball doesn't fall off. Okay. Okay. This is where it'll be placed. And I'll put like 2, yeah, let's put, okay, on the X, we're gonna put 3, actually 4. Let's just make it enough to fit the whole thing, so 4 would be good. And now Z and Y we won't really need. So now that's what we'll have here. And now the pins, which are called key jewels. I don't know. Oh wow, that is gigantic. Okay, I'll try and make it 5. Wow, even half its size is quite good. And I'll make this. Also quickly, let's see how big the ball is. It's 0.1. Okay, so I'll make this 0.1. Okay, so now we need a rigid body so that this actually does something when it gets hit. Let's make sure that this is 0.5 so that it can easily get smacked by the ball. Oh no, I discovered a mistake. Collider. Okay, this is not a little bit. Okay, this is very hard to do. Yeah. Okay, so now this seems like okay, let's see. I'm gonna try hitting the thing. So yeah, it looks like it works properly. Yeah, I just might say it's a little too fast. Okay. I'm gonna try and do 0 and 9 and 8. But I want to see if that is fast enough. Okay. Okay, so it barely moves across the street. Interesting. Is there a way? I think I'm gonna try that. Okay, so usually you can download like physics materials so that it can be a little bit more nice. Let's see. If that's not enough, I'm gonna try this. I hope that's good enough. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Okay. No, doesn't work. Doesn't look like it moves at all. Okay, so so then I'll put 9 here, maybe 99. No, it doesn't. Now that's just 100 off. If that doesn't work, then I'm pretty sure that there's something wrong with me. Okay, so that doesn't work. Then, okay, I'm just going to do 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it looks like 0.1 is too slow too. Then, yeah, now I'll try 0.7. 0.7. Gonna wait. Sorry if this takes too long, but it really needs a long time to pick the ideal speed. Yes. Okay, so this is for some reason it feels too fast. So it's either way too fast for me or just doesn't move. So then I'll go 5. I'll try this. I think 0.5 is ideal for this speed. And then I'll get started on the timing. Okay, this is the last try. Oh, okay, yes. So this seems like it could really do well. I'll just make this a little slower. And so yeah, I'll just check this. It's just 200 slower. So this is a really sensitive engine to the amount of speed you put. Yeah, I think it'll be good if you let the players have a little bit of time before they actually hit that. So then, whack, and you're done. So, I'm pretty sure that we might want to make the camera a little bit more further from the player so that if you're like playing multiplayer or something, you can see how far the guy actually went. So let's see. Okay, so okay, locked on, making a little bit of adjustments. Hit. Okay, so this is perfect. It exactly lets you know. Okay, there's one pin and I knocked down one pin. Okay, so this is good. Now, all we need to do is add more of these pins. A key drill. Okay, I'm gonna change this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try to make a triangle. I am not very good at making triangles, especially bowling pins, so this will be quite hard, quite a challenge. Okay. So you see what I did? Instead of having to add a box collider, a rigid body, make the mass 0.5, I just dragged the key jewel thing and with the one I already did, and it makes it kind of perfect. I think this is too close packed together. I'll just make this a little bit more spread out. Make it a little harder. Okay. Okay, that's let's see. Ah, that doesn't look like a triangle. For some reason. Yeah, this. Does this look like a triangle? No. Okay, I'll just scoot this up a bit. Why does this not really look like a triangle? I don't know, but okay, so I'll just live with it. I'll add more of these. Spread out. Who knows, maybe these pins are on coronavirus restrictions. Okay, I'll make this one. Yeah, it certainly needs to be a little bit more spread out. Okay. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Okay, this doesn't look like it has enough. So I'll just add 2 right here. And I think I'm ready to start. So, okay. I'll add 2. Sorry if this is so long, just saying. Okay, here. And finally, this is such a headache. Yeah, looks like this game's open for business. I will, yeah, so pretty much this is how it goes. You can do this. Okay, so you've seen this. Yeah, destroy this. Okay, so we've already seen all of this, and it looks like that is way too strong for this ball. So I will make this a little bit heavier too. I'll also increase the speed here, just because this is a little faster now. Yeah, this with a little bit more weight so that it can handle it. I hope that this has enough speed. Okay, so it's basically like a heavy atlas stone right now, so maybe we should add a little bit more force. So instead of this, I'm just gonna put 3. I hope this is strong enough. It should be heavy enough. I hope. Okay, so in this game I won't add any triggers or UI because that's kind of a different business. Yes, strike. I'll certainly put this a little bit. I'll make this. Okay, so. Oh no, I missed this many things. So this could be like a fun game to play with your friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I missed the other 7. So then I only got 1, 2, 3, 4. Aw, man. 4 pins. Okay, so this is quite a fun game to play if you really want to. And yeah, that's all pretty much. Now, so what I'm going to do is, so we're going to a build settings, so here. Since we only have one scene, I don't want to bore you with the UI. I don't want to bore you with the other stuff in this game that's required, like the triggers. I feel like this game seems good enough if you're a beginner, so I'm just gonna add it here. I'm gonna direct it to WebGL. It'll take a little bit of time. So while it's compiling the script, I will show you more stuff. Yeah, so you might have already saw this. So this is kind of the type of place that I'm going to be putting it. So it's a place called simmer.io. If you ever get into this place, I really recommend them. They are very good. They can host up to, if you have up to 10 what do you call it? Yeah, if you have up to 10 megabytes, if you have more than 10, you'll be forced to put it on this public. But if you have less than 10 megabytes on that, then you can have it for free. No, actually, everything in Simmer.io is free, but then you can in there you can have it unlisted, so nobody will be able to see it. It's private. Okay, so well that's what it'll show. So okay, so yeah, here I think that yeah, it's still compiling. Okay, okay, so I'll just wait for a little bit. Wait for it to switch the platform. So it'll take a lot of time. I hope. I guarantee that. Um, in this game, I think that I can make this public first. So in case you ever see this and you want a proper example, you can see this game. All you need to do is go to simmer.io and it'll be public there. And make sure you check out my other games. They're also pretty good. Most likely better than this because I spent at least 1 week building those. Yeah, this is just a quick detour to show you um, how to build a game. Okay, so it looks like, oh, I don't know what happened here, but yep, it looks like it got built. It got switched, and now I'm just gonna build it for WebGL. Okay, I'm just gonna select the folder. Okay. I'm gonna select this. Oh wait, I'm just gonna create a new folder. New. Okay, this will take a little bit of time. Okay, folder. I'll just call this web. Okay, there. So select this. Select. And now it'll start building for this. So while it's building for WebGL, um, all you need to do is go to that file, and then yeah, let me show you how to upload stuff in Simmer.io. So I already have an account, CA123. I'll, so, this is the profile. It basically just shows you how many games you upload. And now right here, yes, so right down here. Oh, don't worry about this. This is just yeah. So as you can see, usually you wouldn't see this. This is just an ad. Okay, but so this is where we have it. So this WebGL build that's going on right here. That my big computer is handling it really well. Um, what it'll do is it'll put it in the file. You need to go to that file, and then so you can probably see. Oh, this is not. So you'll need to go to that file, and once it turns into a WebGL build, you just simply drag and drop it. And yeah, this is a very good thing. I'm pretty sure it started only a year ago, so this is very new. So you won't have too much a hard time with it. I can also show you if you ever upload, it can even so I'll just show you. I'm gonna go slow. I'm just gonna. So, um, okay, so right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the game. It could, so if you are feeling like, okay, maybe I need to make this a little bit more public, you can see, okay, should I make this public or not? So as you can see, Simmer.io has a lot of stuff. So in the last 30 days, I only had 36 views, but in the last 90 days, I had 144. So this is quite a used website. You can get, so this is, but this was advertised. Let me show you one's not advertised. This one. So, okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna wait. And look, this isn't advertised and it has 22 views. I have, this was started, the other one was started like 2 months ago. This one was 1 week ago. So I think 22 views is a decent amount. I'm pretty sure it must have built by now. Okay. Let's see. It must have finished building. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it'll just be taking a little longer to make. I'm just gonna check this. Okay, so what we're doing right here is I'm just still waiting for it to build. It won't let me get onto this tab, so I'm just gonna wait and see if it finishes. And pretty much after it finishes, the bowling game is pretty much done. So yeah, it's a easy way to export it. If we could just finish. Okay, so I think it's giving me a little bit of problems, but that's okay. So okay, but okay, so it's okay. I'm just gonna keep on telling you about Simmer.io too. But okay, so I'm pretty sure it must have gotten stuck, but as you can see, I'll try accessing it. Okay, so it looks like it must have gotten stuck. Okay, so I'm just gonna see if it can be accessed. Okay. Okay. So it looks like right here, this is the thing. Okay, so it's building. So it's building more of it. I'm pretty sure it must have gotten slowed down because I was showing you on Google. But so yeah, usually it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to finish building, so you can like go have a drink of water and come back. And I'll just wait. So although this is a seems like a small game, Unity comes with so many different stuff. Even though it looks like I only have like 1 or 2 bytes in this game, it could actually be megabytes or gigabytes. Yeah, some small games that I created have up to gigabit stuff. So you need to definitely, that's why, as I told you earlier, you can uncheck assets that you get. That's why it's not, that's why you should probably uncheck the stuff you might not need. It'll save a lot of space. I seem to be downloading a lot. So it seems to have gotten stuck. Okay. So okay. It looks like it might have gotten finished. I don't know what. Okay, so I'm just gonna see the files. Yeah. Okay. This looks funny. Oh, this is code. Okay. Okay. It looks like I might have accidentally closed it out before it could finish WebGL. Okay, well, I'm definitely. Okay, so I'm reopening it. I don't know if I got to finish. Okay, so it hasn't. So, I'll just wait for a little bit longer and see if the WebGL build happens. So this is for I think that okay, so I'll pause the recording for now and just talk later when this WebGL build is finished. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, so finally it loaded after a long time. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so it looks like it might have converted it to WebGL. I don't really see it right now, so. Okay, so. Okay, I'm just gonna check here. Okay, so now we actually got to see. Okay, so it looks like that's pretty much it. Okay, so finally it managed to get into the thing. So now it finally started working. And so I'm just gonna show you how to do it once more so that you can get refreshed. Files, build settings. So everything's here already. Now WebGL, I'll build. I'll use web, select. And okay, so now it's up to us to wait for it to build again. I hope this time it doesn't get delayed. So let's see. Okay. It looks like it's going a little faster this time. Okay. Oh yeah, and also if you really like I said for the simmer.io, when I was showing you, yeah. So if all you needed to do is drag a WebGL build file, and you can easily get into it. So like upload a good game. I don't really think that I should advertise this because this doesn't have UI yet. But yeah, it's still a good game for beginners. I would say beginners don't need triggers and UI in their game if they want to create a super basic one. I just recommend them to have a game to play, just like the the bowling ball one that we just did. Okay. Looks like it's still taking a little bit of time. So yeah, so like this bowling game that I made right in front of your eyes, we could play like multiplayer, and your friends. The reason I scooted the camera back so that if any of the pins fell, you'd see all of the pins that fell and all of the pins that you missed, so that if you're playing with your friends or something, you can easily do all of that, and it'll be very easy for you to play and just be able to have fun and see, okay, and have like competitions. So it'll be kind of cool to pay attention to those little details. And if a beginner ever needs that, then they should definitely aim for this that I just said, because it'll certainly improve the rating of the game. And yeah, this you see as this weird looking skybox. You should also make sure that the color is different so that you can have like a better looking color, not plain old skybox, because that just won't really look that good. People won't think that you're that good. So if you want to improve your ratings, those are some very good habits to get into with Unity. So what WebGL is it's basically like a thing where it's packaging my entire game and sending it to the web, so I can upload it to the web. So that's why it takes so long, like Android and WebGL, for them to actually build it. And it starts off very confusing. But yeah, so as you can get better at exporting it, you should also do that. Oh yeah, and just remember, see, when it says scenes and build right here, it doesn't necessarily mean like how many scenes you have. What it really means is how many scenes you're gonna have when you play it. So in this case, I only have one. It doesn't really. So that's why I didn't really name it, because I never needed to. But yeah, you probably need to name yours if you have many scenes, because I don't think new scene is a good idea so then you need to click on every single scene to find the one you want to go to. I think that that's why you might need to put the things, but I don't need to in this example. So, okay, so it's still taking a little bit of time. Yeah, as you can see, it says packaging files. Oh, it looks like it finished. So you see it? Okay. Now, so as I said, server.io, very good place. So I'm gonna go to my uploads. And I'll upload one. Oh, I can't wait. So it actually doesn't take that much time at all. So you can certainly get quick. So it might take like a few seconds, but yeah, that's all. So very fast thing. Wow. Okay, that was impressive. So I'll show you some other stuff you can do in Silver. You can delete the upload, which I don't want to do. So yeah, so this is basically screenshots you can take. So yeah, I'm just gonna play it for a little bit. It wants me to gather screenshots. So for like 20 seconds, you can play your game. And it'll be quite good. Yay! Ah, 3 pins. Okay. So I'll name the game. I'll call this Bowling Dash. Oh, don't mind the noise. It's just my brother. Okay, so Bowling Dash. Fine. Actually then I'll do bowling strike. Yeah, that works. Bowling strike. Bowling strike. Save. Okay, so now is the part where we need to do a game description, like about your game. I don't really care. So yeah, you can like upload screenshots. I'm just gonna select that one. Actually, fine. I'll show you how to upload one. So in Unity, so I'm just gonna play this, and then oh yay, I'm playing my game. So I'm just gonna keep playing. Okay, I'm gonna try to actually get a strike now. Okay, so let's say I just want to make another try. So I'm just gonna try to knock down as many of those pins as I can. Okay, this is the last try. And then I'll try to get a good screenshot. Okay. Okay, so this is what I got. Now I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna take my snipping tool. I'm gonna open it. Oh, sorry, this is the logo I created. Don't mind that. I'm just gonna open it again. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna do all of this right here. Okay, that's a nice snip. I will save it. Okay, can't find the mouse. I'll file, save as, and I'll call this bowling. Save. I'm not really such a good navigator of files, so this is a little cheat you can do. You can do it again, except it'll be here, so you can just go to Google, open this here. Okay, sorry, this is just my brother. Very, very interested in the games I'm doing. So, I don't really know why he gets so interested. Okay, so I'm gonna file, save as, and now bowling JPG, upload, and yeah, so now we got our own custom picture, which is pretty cool. Let's see what this is. I can select up to 6 categories. This is like a casual one. I would say all of the ones that I'm doing are always going to be simulations. It is sort of a strategy. And yeah, so this could be a multiplayer when you really want to do it. And yeah, so I pretty much have nothing else to do. I can do this, but that's too advanced for me. So I'll just view the content. Oh yeah, and that reminds me, in case you want to see my other games that I already created. I'm just gonna do a little thing. Edit. I'm just gonna edit this. So yeah. Okay. I thought that it was missing something. Okay, so it looks like this is here. Bowling strike. So it looks like quite a good game. Yeah. So, and in case in this course you want to also learn about building a website, then this might help you. So, what if I said that I kind of want to add something? I'm just going to go into the workspace. I'm going to, I'll move this line. I'll move it down. Okay, so I'm just moving this line further down. Okay, and so I'm gonna get an icon. For me, I just use buttons. So yeah, button. I'll use this one. Okay. This right here. I'll make this bigger. Like this. Yeah, this seems like a decent size. Okay, I'll put it right here. And here comes the harder part. So I'll change this icon. Change. So now here, I'll just use this little cheat, and it'll let me upload this image. So, okay, there, wonderful. It got created. So let's see. So now let's apply. And so now let's hover. Let's change it. This. Apply. And it's the same for clicked. So in this you can add like different animations. That's how you add animations when you're using a website, but yeah, not really gonna worry about that. Okay, so now I'll just put I'll just duplicate this text. I'll move it. Alright. Okay, yeah. This text right here. Yeah, so I put it here. And I'm gonna say this here. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna put it right here. And I'll call this, yeah, bowling strike. Strike. Okay. Also, I need to make these longer. This. So yeah, this decoration will be there. And yeah, so now bowling strike. It's a button, but so now what I need to do, yeah, I'll add an animation for it. I'll do this. There's many stuff. I don't know. Okay, I'll do this. Simple. Customize it. Done. Okay, so now I need to link this with the web address. What else? So now right here. Bowling strike. Now see. Oh, now be done. Publish. Okay, good. And so now here, what I have, so it's clearly done right here. Okay, so now I will have to refresh and let's see what it did. Okay, so now that, so it certainly changed. Yeah, and yeah, right here. I'm just gonna wait for it to. Well, so this is basically all of Unity. Yeah, it's kind of like everything, and so this is how you export it. So now that you pretty much know everything, you've learned a lot of extra stuff like Blender, maybe like some Wix website building. Wow, that knocked down more pins than I thought. But so well, overall, bye. Yes, yeah, bye. Bye.